Hey, how are you? Thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making ribs, baby back ribs. And you know I love to save money, so I want to show you this nice rack of ribs that I got at Aldi's for $6.79. This is more than enough for me and my husband to have for dinner. And it just goes to show you that if you shop at the right places and get the right deals, you can eat for pretty cheap. Eat good for pretty cheap. So anyway, we're gonna make these ribs, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a rub for the ribs. And so I kind of do a shortcut. I use Lowry's seasoned salt, good amount of that, and then I put some pepper in it, some paprika, and some brown sugar. And that's our rub right there. Okay, so we're gonna get our ribs ready. Okay, so I've patted off the ribs so that they're not all wet. And I'm actually going to cut them in half because I'm gonna put them in the crock pot. And they just fit better that way. And then plus half is for him and half is for me. And I don't even think I can eat a whole half, but I will do my best. Okay, so I'm gonna put the rub on. And I want to get it on the sides here too. A lot of rub left here on my board, so I might as well try to use as much of it as I can. I mean, you literally throw them in there, walk away for 4 or 5 hours, and then when you come back, they are so tender, and then you just pull them out, you put sauce on them, and then you throw them in the oven for maybe 20 minutes at a high heat with some good sugary sauce on them, and they get caramelized and sticky and delicious and so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna stand my ribs up one on one side, one on the other side, and the fat will just, you don't even have to put liquid in there because the fat just comes out and goes into the bottom of the pot, and it'll just be watery fat down there. It's not going to hurt anything. And then while those are cooking, I'm going to throw a sweet potato in there with them. Okay, so I got my ribs in the crock pot, and I want to cook a sweet potato while I'm cooking the ribs, but I don't want it to sit in the fat that's going to drain off of the ribs. So I'm going to just take this little custard dish, put it in the bottom, set my sweet potato on top of that, and I'm not even going to do anything to the sweet potato. I'm not going to season it or wrap it in foil or do anything because we don't eat the skin anyways. So I just cut it down the middle, and then we put butter, or my husband likes cinnamon and sugar on his. I just like butter and salt and pepper on mine. So anyway, I don't even have to do anything to the sweet potato, but just put it in there like that. So I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to let it go for probably about 4 hours on low. And I don't know if my crock pot just cooks a little higher than average, but low 4 hours will cook these ribs completely, no problem. Because the last time I did ribs, I thought, oh, this is going to take like 6 hours, and after about 4 hours I just checked on them and they were just fall apart tender at 4 hours. So that's mine. I'm not sure how your crock pot is, but anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let these go for 4 hours, and then I'll check them just to make sure. And for sure the sweet potato will be done then, so I'll pull that out. But then after we pull it out, we will put some sauce on there, put it in the oven, get them nice and sticky and sweet, and they'll be delicious. So I'll see you back after they're done. Okay, so I got the ribs out of the crock pot, and they've been sitting here just for a little bit because I had some cookies baking. They're tender, they're just ready for some sauce, and we love Sweet Baby Ray's. Yes, I can make homemade barbecue sauce. I've made it many times before, but we just love this stuff, and it's already made. So this is, oh, my oven's ready. We're gonna put a generous amount of this on. And I've got the oven set for 400, and we're gonna put this in the oven. We'll see, somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes till the sauce gets kind of thick and, you know, sticky. That's the way we like it. I'm gonna get the sides too, and we're gonna do the back side. Actually going to put a fresh piece of parchment down underneath the ribs because I forgot the last time I did this, the sauce on the foil kind of burned. Okay, so we're ready to put it in the oven, and in about a half an hour they'll be ready to go. Okay, so our ribs are finally done. I'm going to try to give you a good look at them here so you can see them better, but they turned out perfect. And if you want to get this recipe or any of my other recipes, you can get them from my website. That's rhondasthriftkitchen.com. And do me a favor, please hit follow, subscribe, and like. It's free to you, and it helps me be able to make more videos. So thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you next time.